Hey guys, it's a car chats today, and in today's video we are going to talk about what I got in my Ipsy Glambag Plus. If you are interested, then keep watching. Hey guys, so I am in my car obviously, and I am doing my makeup, but I just got my Ipsy Glambag Plus. I know that I have been waiting on this. At first I was like, did I get the Ipsy Glambag? And I decided to, they put me on the wait list. I got a email, and so I'm going to show you how it came when it came to my house. But I also want to show you guys this. They kind of did it the same way that, you know, you get the Boxycharm. This one is $25 a month, and they put an extra item in here as a welcome to Glambag Plus. So every month I'll get 5 full-size products from the brands you love each month. That's what they said. A Luxe makeup clutch every 3 shipments. So every quarter I'll get a makeup clutch. Tons of tips and inspo to guide you through your picks. Access shopper. So I'll get up to 50% cash back on every single thing I buy, and an extra $5 credit to jumpstart just for the Glambag Plus members. So I like this. I like this pamphlet. It's a lot better than the Ipsy Glambag, the original one. The only thing that's not on here are prices, and I prefer to know the prices up front, but I feel like the instructional pamphlet is a lot more detailed than the Boxycharm, just so you know. So this is how the clutch looks. It's so cute. You can put, I guess, something, whatever you're gonna put up here, maybe coupons, I don't know. And then this is such a cute clutch. So I'm gonna go over what I got in my Ipsy Glambag. The first thing I have is the Pure Nilitica Melt. It's by it's from LXMI. I tried some last night. It's 100% basically it's 100% shea butter. But you can use this on your lips, you can use it on your face like an overnight mask, or, you know, a deep facial mask. You can put this on your hands, your knees, your elbows, any, you know, it's like an all-purpose product. So I really, at first I was like, I don't really need this, but I like a balm and oil, especially it's getting cold. So, and the packaging is so cute. So I do like that. Some of this stuff I tried last night, so I can give you kind of like a first impression, but you know, during my favorites and hate-its at the end of the month, I'm gonna let you guys know. This is from Smashbox. This one is, of course, a cover shot, but this is the Bold Glitter Eye Palette. And y'all, this is really good. This is really good. I did not expect this. It reminds me of a mini form of the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar palette, but this one has glitter in it. And I'll swatch these and show you guys how these look. But I think these retail for about $29, so you already paid the amount. Now, I don't know. I guess I could use a little bit of one of these during the look in a few minutes, but this is the other thing I got. I'm really excited about this because I actually wanted to try this mascara from Tarte. Tarte's mascaras work really well with me, or for me. I love the Tarteist, and the Lights Camera Lashes is an OG of mine that I still love. I have the Gifted that I'm trying, or I haven't opened that one yet, but Man Eater. So this one is, it claims to give you long full lashes, and I am excited about trying this. Okay, I have a Morphe highlighter, and it's a high impact highlighter in the shade Extra. So that is how that looks. It's a gold. Now, when I don't know, swatching this, it's not as buttery as like an Anastasia, or to me like it's a drier formula, and I tend to like formulas that are more wet and like blend into the skin. But we'll see how this looks on. I did try it on the other night, but I want to see how it looks in a cohesive look. I I have an ICO eyeliner, which I'm excited. I do like their mascaras. So this one is the Skinny liquid eyeliner in black. And then I also, from Pop Sugar, this is Beauty by Pop Sugar. This is a lip balm, and it's in the scent Blush Crush, and it has an expiration date on here, SPF 15. Now the expiration date is 12/18. So I'm getting this in October. So basically 2 months, this SPF is not going to work anymore. So this is going to be the first thing that we put on because I want to try it. Now the first thing, when I swatched it last night as soon as I got it. I don't know if I'm like this because it has a grittiness. And I felt it on my hand, but trying it on my lips, there's a grittiness on here. The color is beautiful, but there's a grittiness. Okay, so the next thing, let's go ahead and put on bronzer. Okay, I just wanted to run that into the crease. And let's go in with the cover shot. We're going to go in with one of those bronze shades. I think it'll just look better for like an everyday look. Let's go into Glow Nut, like donut, Glow Nut, which is the one right up here at the top. So I'm just gonna take some and I'm just gonna pat it. Oh, I can make that work today. I like the fact that this can be, you can put on your makeup and it can be just like by itself, or it would make a really good topper. Now I will say you need something to make these stick, because I'm getting fallout just still using my finger. I'm getting some fallout on. It will look cuter in the corner. I should have thought about putting it in the corner, but that's actually kind of cute. Let's make a little wing with the eyeliner. You'll make a small one. We're gonna see how this works. I can say that was very easy to do with that one. I always go thicker on this one. It went over that glitter like it was nothing, which is cool. Okay. Very cute. Okay, so let's go in now with the mascara. Okay, so that's the first coat. I don't know about this brush, but we'll see. Oh! Yeah, we don't know. I don't know about that brush. I do feel like it gets every lash, but I hate when this happens. So I'm gonna let that dry and then we're gonna flick it off. Okay, so without even, I see that the mascara is transferring. I'm kind of scared for this at the lower lash line. That's a nice look. Okay, so let's go in with the highlight. Oh, and it does have, like, why is this frosted? And we're going to take a little bit and pop it right there. That is the finished look from the Glambag. Okay, I am going to put a little bit, I like this. I put a little bit on my hands the other day. And I like it. I only need a little bit. You can put it on cracked feet too. Like, you know. But I like this. I'll put on a little bit of blush. And that's the finished look. Still gritty. I probably would not repurchase that. The other ones, we'll see what I think about them after I use them for the rest of October. About a good 2 weeks. So, yeah. That's my Ipsy Glambag, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.